today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own tinsel tape extensions. And let me tell you, it is so easy. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. So you're going to need tape-in extension replacement tabs, double-sided and single-sided, and then tinsel of your choice. This is what the tabs should look like. I already removed the blue piece on top, and beneath it is basically just double-sided tape. So you grab your tinsel. I cut mine in half because it usually comes really long, and you just start sticking it on the sticky part. It's really simple, and you're going to seal it with a single-sided replacement tab. And the only thing you have to be cautious here is making sure that you line them up pretty well. Don't worry about getting the tinsel on there perfectly because this is foldable and you can just fold it and cut the excess off, and that is literally it. So easy, but definitely always start on the bottom so you can build your tape extensions going up. Because these extension tabs are on a piece of paper, you can also cut them in half to make your tinsel tape ins half the size and multiply them. And that's basically what I'm going to do because I'm only going to make these two, and I'm also going to show you guys how to install them. So now that you understand how to make your tape extensions, I'm going to show you how to install them. This is what they should look like, and you want to grab the single-sided tape, and because it does come on a piece of paper, it's really easy to fold and cut. So I'm going to fold mine in half, only because I'm going to cut my tinsel in half. This is completely optional. You can use the entire tape as a tinsel piece in your hair. But I'm going to fold mine in half and make 4 pieces out of the 2 that I made. Now when you're going to install, you want to make your section and peel the tinsel off of the paper, and then I just kind of like to stamp it wherever I want it, and it should stick right away. So once I have it placed where I want it, I'm going to take a tail comb, and whatever hair is stuck to the tape, I'm going to keep there. You don't really want too thick of a section because then it can slip out of your hair. And then I'm going to secure it with the single-sided tabs that I already cut. And then you're just going to place it right on the bottom and press it together, and that is all. This is such a cute way to do it yourself. It's not damaging. There's other methods of doing tinsel, but this is just, in my opinion, the easiest for a bunch. And if you place them properly, they can last you up to 6 weeks. Regular tape extensions need to be maintenance around that time, so they should be able to last you around that time as well. If you want to remove them before the 6 weeks are up, I highly recommend using acetone and letting it soak on the tape area because it's plastic and it'll undo the sticky stuff, and then you should be able to pull it out. It is probably going to leave a residue on your hair, so I highly recommend doing a shampoo after removing. I also recommend getting heat-proof tinsel if you're planning on heat styling your hair at all. Obviously do it at a low heat. And I'm also going to describe everything that I use down below. I also have it all linked in my Amazon storefront. But this is the final look. I am so obsessed. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok. Love you guys.